Are AI agents just hype, or are they future of AI? In this video, we are breaking down the buzz, cutting through the jargon, and giving you the real story on AI agents. Get ready to understand what they are, how they work, and why they matter to you. Hi, welcome. Today we are tackling a topic that's everywhere in the AI world right now, AI agents. You probably heard the term maybe a million times, but what actually is an AI agent? Is it just another tech buzzword, or is there something real and game-changing happening here? That's what exactly we are trying to unpack in this video. Let's be honest, the term AI agent is hyped. You hear it constantly. Revolutionary agents, autonomous agents, super agents. It's easy to get lost in the noise and wonder, is this real? Is it just another marketing term? And frankly, a lot of definitions out there just add to the confusion. But here's the thing. Beneath the hype, there is something genuinely significant happening. AI agents are not just another trend. They represent fundamental shift in how we build AI. For developers, for anyone building with AI, understanding agents is becoming essential. This isn't just about keeping up with the latest trends. It is about unlocking new capabilities, building smarter systems, and tackling problems that were simply out of reach before. So, if you are serious about AI, you need to understand agents. Okay, let's go to the core definition. What is an agent? The key understanding is autonomy. To really grasp this, we need to compare agent to something you might already be familiar with, workflows. Think of a workflow is like a recipe or a set of instructions. It is step by step, linear and predictable. Imagine building with Lego bricks, following instructions. You go to step 1, step 2, step 3. That's a workflow. In AI terms, it is like chaining together LLM calls in a fixed sequence. Prompt A, then B, then C. Think of it as a train on a rails. It is going in a straight line, following a predetermined path. It is very structured and controlled. Now, an agent is fundamentally different. It is about giving the AI freedom and control. Instead of a fixed recipe, it is like giving the AI a goal and tools to achieve it, and letting it figure out the best way to get there. The crucial point is that an agent decides its own steps. It operates in a loop, constantly thinking, acting, learning, and iterating until it reaches its goal. It is just not following instructions, it is making decisions along the way. It is like AI picking its own fate to get to the best outcome. The defining feature is LLM driven iteration. Think about different tasks. For a simple repetitive task, a workflow might be perfect. But for complex dynamic tasks like handling customer support conversations that may go in many directions, or iteratively refining code where you don't know what exact step upfront, that's where agent becomes essential. These are the tasks that demand flexibility and autonomous decision making. For a workflow, you are giving very precise turn by turn instructions. Go straight for a mile, turn left onto High Street, and then right. For an agent, it's more like saying, hey, go to the coffee shop in the city center and giving them the best tools. You have a map app, you can walk, you can buy, you can drive. The agent then figures out the best route and mode of transport based on its own understanding and the environment. It is about empowering the AI to navigate and make decisions, not to just follow a script. Now, before we go deeper into agents, let's quickly touch on workflow patterns. Anthropic recently published a paper providing guidelines. I'll provide the link in the description. Even workflows can be sophisticated, and they often built using these reusable structures like building blocks. Think of these as common architectures for different workflow needs. Prompt chaining. It's a linear sequence, simple for breaking down tasks, good for accuracy, maybe a bit slower, like it can be used for translation workflows. Routing classifies an input and directs to a specialized work follow-up task. It's great for complex systems and diverse inputs. For example, customer query routing. Parallelization workflow, it can break down a task into independent subtasks and then run in parallel. Running the same task multiple times also can be an example of parallelization task. Orchestrator workflow tasks wherein a central LLM dynamically breaks down the task, delegates them to a worker LLMs, and then synthesizes their results. This workflow is well suited for complex tasks where you can't predict subtasks. Example like coding tasks. Now let's go to the real star of the show: agents. Agents and their autonomous problem solving. Agents are now really taking off because LLMs are getting seriously good at key things. They are better at understanding complex requests, at actually reasoning and planning, at using tools reliably, and even at recovering from their mistakes. It's like LLM are finally mature enough to be truly agentic. The agentic journey starts with you. You give it a command, maybe a quick chat to clarify what you need, then bam, the agent takes over. It plans its own steps, it operates independently using those tools we have talked about. It constantly it's constantly checking in with its environment, seeing what's working and what's not. It's a dynamic loop of action and learning, all driven by the agent itself. And yes, agent can handle incredibly sophisticated tasks, things that were just science fiction a few years ago. So when do you use agents? Think open-ended problems. So the tasks where you can't predict the steps, where you need flexibility and trust. For scaling complex tasks, agents are ideal. But remember, autonomy comes with responsibility. Agents can be resource intensive and have the potential for errors to compound. Testing and guardrails are crucial. Building effective agents isn't magic. It's about smart development practices. Here are a few key tips to keep in mind. First, think like Claude. Seriously, put yourself in AI shoes. Is your prompt clear? Are your tools easy to understand? Design from model's perspective. Second, tooling is prompting. Don't treat tools as an afterthought. Well-designed, well-documented tools are essential for agent success. Think of tool descriptions as part of your prompt engineering. Third, measure your results. Always, always, always. Have a way to track performance and iterate. Start simple. Add complexity only if it improves outcomes. These practical tips are key to moving beyond theory and building agents that actually work. So, what's next? The future is agentic. We are on the verge of seeing agents transform businesses, automate countless tasks, and unlock entire new possibilities in AI. Expect to see massive business adoption in coming years. And beyond that, we are just starting to scratch the surface of multi-agent systems, AI collaborating with AI. It is truly exciting frontier. Consumer agents might be a bit further out, but in business world, agents are poised to revolutionize how things are done. The key takeaway: start building, start experimenting, start thinking agentically. Build systems that learn and improve alongside that incredible advancements in AI models. The age of AI agents is here, and it's time to be part of it. If you found this video useful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. For more AI insights, let me know in the comments what you think about AI agents and what you are building. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more deep dives into the world of AI. See you in the next video. Thanks. Bye.